How to change language in Life360 app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Life360 app. After you are in the app, make sure to log into your account first. Now, you need to know that Life360 app does not have inbuilt language settings, so you cannot change the language of this app from here. So the only way to change the language of this Life360 app is you need to go to your phone settings first. Once you are in the settings, scroll down. If you're on your Android, you can see this general management section, tap on it. Once you are in this page, over here you can see this app languages option, tap on it. From here you can select the languages for individual apps. So scroll down and find the Life360 app, tap on it. Here you'll find the list of languages that you can select from. You can select your preferred language to apply in the app. Let's say I'll select the Spanish language. It even gives me which region Spanish that I want to select from, so I'll select this default one. Now the app language of Life360 app has been changed to Spanish. In order for it to be applied, you might want to restart your phone again, and you can relaunch the Life360 app, and the app languages will be changed to Spanish. So that's it. That's how you can easily change language in Life360 app.